I remember deploying my first Node.js app on a shared host. It crashes immediately, no SSH, no version control, no flexibility. That's when I realized developers need hosting built for developers. Hey, I'm from WebTech, and if you are a developer building real-world apps, API, or portfolios, here are the top hosting providers in 2025 that give you the tools and control your actual need. When I started freelancing, I tested tons of platforms. Some were too basic, some too expensive, but a few stood out for speed, SSH access, Git support, tagging, and freedom. My suggestion for top 4 developer-friendly hosting options. Top 4 is A2 Hosting Pro. Full stack flexibility, Git and SSH developer tools included. Cons: shared plans can be limiting for big projects. Great transition from shared hosting to VPS for beginner to mid devs. Number 3 is render.com. Easy developments for web apps, static sites, and background workers. Cons: limited to web stack, not for legacy app or heavy customization. If you love Heroku style simplicity, Render is gold. Deploy with a hit push. Number 2 is Vault. Pros: high frequency servers, simple deploy scripts, and bare metal options. Cons: no managed support unless you cloud based. Fast, clean, and powerful, especially for devs who know the command line. Number 1 is DigitalOcean. Pros: full root access, scalable droplets, and Docker ready. Cons: steeper learning curve for beginners. Perfect for full stack apps, APIs, and anything custom. Great docs too. If you're building real apps, go with DigitalOcean or Vultr for full control. 1 Git bash developments without stress. Try Render. If you are moving out from shared hosting, A2 VPS is solid. Tell me your stack, Node, Laravel, Django, anything, and I will recommend the best host for your project. Like, subscribe, and let's build developers' first project the smart way.